In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shazam to Chrome. If you've ever heard a song in a video, stream, or playlist and wished you could identify it without picking up your phone, the official Shazam extension for Google Chrome makes that easy. It listens to the audio coming from your browser tab and matches the track for you, then saves what it finds so you can revisit it later. Let's get it set up. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store page for the official Shazam extension. Once you're on the correct page, look for the button that says Add to Chrome and click it. Chrome will show a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to continue. The download takes just a moment, and Chrome will handle the installation for you in the background. When the installation finishes, you should see the Shazam icon appear near the top right corner of Chrome, alongside your other extensions. If you don't see it immediately, click the puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. Find Shazam in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Shazam button visible, so it's always just one click away. Now you're ready to identify music. Open the browser tab that's actually playing the audio. This works on sites like YouTube, Netflix, Twitch, SoundCloud, and many others where music plays inside the tab. With that tab active, click the Shazam icon. Then click the button that says Click to Shazam. You'll see Shazam start listening for a few seconds while the music plays. When it finds a match, it will show you the song title and artist right there in Chrome. It also keeps a history of the tracks you've identified, which is great for building playlists later or remembering something you discovered earlier in the day. A couple of quick tips to get the best results. Make sure the tab isn't muted, and keep the volume at a normal level so Shazam can hear the audio clearly. If you have multiple tabs playing at once, pause the ones you don't need so the extension listens to the right source. If it doesn't recognize a track on the first try, play a section with strong vocals or the chorus and click again. That's all there is to it. You've added the official Shazam extension to Chrome, pinned it for quick access, and learned how to identify songs directly from your browser tabs. Enjoy discovering new music without missing a beat.